Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple settings you can check to adjust and improve the audio volume on your iPhone. If your iPhone speaker or headphone audio seems quieter than expected, some sound and headphone settings may be affecting the maximum volume. I'll guide you through the steps one by one. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Now, scroll down and tap Volume Limit under Built-in Speaker. Make sure Limit Maximum Volume is turned off. Next, go back and tap Headphone Safety. Then, turn off Reduce Loud Audio. Now, go back to the main settings page. Tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and select Audio Visual. Then, tap Headphone Accommodations. Turn on Headphone Accommodations. After that, select Vocal Range and set it to Strong. That's it. These settings can help adjust your iPhone's audio output. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.